Heritage hotel with modern facilities and strategic location. The hotel located in the middle of Old Town in Georgetown. The old building renovated perfectly become comfortable and beautiful. The furniture inside is incredible, an old-style Babanyonya, Peranakan style, very classic but still comfort. The room is super clean, has modern bathroom and high ceiling. Great find. The rooms were lovely and large and everything was perfection. Only thing I'd say is that I tried to contact them to book directly but didn't get a response back. Maybe because of the public holidays around the time. Try your luck and book direct. The people there are lovely. Perfect stay in a charming property. Our group had a wonderful experience, location was perfect, staff friendly, rooms were ready for an early check-in and clean. Great hot water and fantastic working ACs, rooms were really cool. Highly recommend this place. Exceptional. Love our stay there. We had a fantastic time. Good place to stay. Very historic hotel with many original features, well located within Georgetown. The staff were friendly and helpful and the breakfast was tasty. They do charge for a second cup of coffee though, which I wasn't expecting. Impressed with the cleanliness. Excellent heritage hotel. Very unique traditional heritage hotel with excellent service at great location. Wonderful hotel. The room we stayed is big and nice. The breakfast is fantastic. Heritage Hotel in the heart of Georgetown. It's our first time staying in Georgetown and we didn't regret it. So many sights to explore and Muntri Mews is right in the middle of it. The hotel itself is a beautiful piece of heritage, lovingly transformed into an elegant and cozy hotel. If you're exploring Georgetown, look no further. Good stay experience, value for money. Exceptional, perfect location. Love the interior design. Hope to visit again in near future. Super valuable, nice place and value for money. Recommended for couple and family of 4. Very nice interior decor and clean. Love the bathroom and toilet, super clean. The cafe close early but food is yummy, just a bit pricey, hotel standard price. Wonderful. I stayed there 10 years ago and loved it so much we returned this year and were delighted to find it every bit as wonderful as it was the first time. Rooms lovely, comfy bed with hand-stitched quilt, desk, couch, table for 2, staff most accommodating, breakfasts delicious, location perfect and on a quiet street. Exceptional, nice and beautiful place for gateway. Thanks.